Welcome back to Finance Speaks. I'm Kyle Sadler, President of Precept Wealth Management and best-selling author of I'm Retired, Now What? I'm here today to talk to you about some smart financial moves to make in your 20s, 30s, 40s, and 50s. Have you ever mapped out your financial timeline? If you're like many Americans, it may have been more difficult than anticipated because life happens. One of the most helpful ways to achieve your financial goals is to break it down by your age. After all, depending where you are on your life's journey, certain financial moves make more sense than others. Your 20s. First and foremost, you should start saving for retirement now, preferably using tax-advantaged retirement accounts that let you direct money into equities. Through equity investing, your money may grow and compound profoundly with time. And do you want to know what's the best thing about starting young is? You have time on your side. Aside from equity investments, you'll want to try and build your savings. A good place to start is an emergency fund equal to 6 months of your salary. Now, that may seem unnecessarily large, but it's worth pursuing, especially if you have loved ones depending on you. Accidents do happen. You could suffer an illness or injury that might prevent you from earning income. You may find yourself out of a job without a new one. You see, life happens. About 25% of people will contend with such an episode during their working lives, and just an FYI, less than 5% of disabling illnesses and accidents are job-related. So workers' compensation insurance will not always cover them. Your 30s. By now, you may have started a family and or taken on other financial responsibilities. This means that your spending has probably increased from the days when you were single. As you save and invest, remember also to play a little defense. You see, many people in their 30s use this time to create a will and set up other financial power of attorney in case something unforeseen happens. Another smart move is securing a solid life insurance policy. Depending on the policy, that is what is right for you. You may even be able to use your policy as an investment vehicle. As always, speak with a financial professional to make sure that you have the coverage that's right for you. Your 40s. Try to maintain your retirement planning efforts in the face of financial stressors. You may have teens or, like us, preteens at home, and if you have not yet considered creating a college fund that can grow and compound over time, now is the right time. You should not dip into your retirement fund to pay for their college educations, no matter how onerous college loans may seem. Do not do it. You may want to look at buying long-term care insurance also. Buying it when you're likely in good health is a wise move. Most people do not think about long-term care insurance until they need it, and by that time, it's too late. Your 50s. You're in the red zone before retirement. If you can, accelerate your retirement savings through greater contribution levels and or take advantage of the catch-up contributions allowed for many retirement accounts after age 50. If possible, think about an approximate retirement date. It may seem far off in the future, but it will sneak up on you if you are unprepared. aim to reduce your debt as much as possible by that time or earlier also. You see, retiring with multiple major debts can be stressful, to say the least. Lastly, check in with a financial professional to gauge how close you are to realizing your long-term financial objectives. Because these are just a few smart financial moves that you want to take to set up a good future for you and your family, because this is how finance speaks. I'm Kyle Sadler, headed out until next time. Be blessed and enjoy this wonderful day. A special thank you to the following: AXA Equitable, RiverSource Financial, and the CDC, Center for Disease Control. Because of these companies and agencies and their assistance with the research, information, and guidance, these videos are made possible. Thank you.